Hey guys, welcome to Supreme Traders. And again, let's start to analyze the pre-market analysis for tomorrow, that is 19th of Jan. Hope you guys gone through the my 18th of Jan pre-market analysis. Today, Tata Steel, Hero Motor Corp, Bank Nifty gives a fantastic results, and many people make a good money from that. So hope you guys enjoying the journey and liking our videos for such an analysis. Okay, so let's start for the tomorrow, that is 19th of Jan. Okay, let's go to our watch list and let's have the detailed discussion for the particular stock. So guys, if you see on my screen, this is the stock and the watch list I selected for tomorrow. First stock is TCS, second is TechM, third is ZIL, fourth Bajaj Finance, fifth SDFC, and our bread and butter Bank Nifty is the sixth. These are the six stocks, five stocks and one index we'll analyze for tomorrow. Okay, so let's go and check one by one. So first we'll analyze the Bank Nifty. Okay, so how Bank Nifty will affect tomorrow, how it works for tomorrow. So I already marked the levels for minimizing the video duration. So if you see on my screen, so I will explain you why this marking I mark. So this, if you see these yellow areas, so positive above this and weak below this yellow area. So why this positive above this? So if you see the fantastic support area here, magnific support here, again in this area, again respecting the levels at same. Okay, then again today it's break this level. Okay, now comes to the below. If you see this week below this, why taking resistance at same, resistance breakout, resistance converted to support. So these are the fourth time it respecting the levels. So if it breaks this, you can find this as a target. Okay, so below this yellow area, this is your target for 300 to 400 point, but at the around from this to this at 180 point you may face some support, as Bank Nifty have some good time spent on this area. If you see good time spent on this area, so this may be a small support for Bank Nifty. It will spend some time here, after that it breaks and go to the target one. Okay, so be watchful on this area. This is for the lower side. So Bank Nifty opens gaps up tomorrow, so above this you can again trade for the this target, that is again a 400 point target. But again here you may face some resistance. Why? Bank Nifty face some good time on this area. Okay, so again this is some small resistance. It will spend some time here and goes to target one. Okay, so hope guys you understand for the Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Okay, so let's do in a so let's first TCS. So if you see on my screen, so I already marked the levels for TCS. So I mark this trend line in a, if you see a blue color trend lines. So why this trend line? As we are intraday, I take this as a 1 point. Okay, and this area as a second point, this area as a third point. So third time it's respecting the same trend line. Same from here, this as a first, almost nearer to this second, this as a third. Okay, so and if you see again this yellow area, TCS spending good time on this zone. Okay, so this is the good support zone. So if it breaks, you can trade for this as your first target, that is almost 36 point, and after that almost 76 points for the second target. So this is for the TCS for lower side. If you break this trend line with this resistance area, you can trade for upside and you can manage your targets. Okay, so initially I don't mark the targets for this because it's almost all time high. So you can manage your targets by trailing your stop loss in TCS if it breaks upside. Okay, so hope you understand for TCS. Let's go to the next stock, that is a TechM. Sorry. So if you see TechM, again I mark the no trade zone. So this area always you can call as a no trade zone. This in between area of yellow zones, this is called as no trade zone. So once it breaks, so again why I mark this no trade zone? So respecting these levels here, again respecting same levels, taking resistance on this area, respecting on this area. So this is a good level where TCS Tech playing, spending much time. Again on lower side, if you see on this area, it takes supports, same it will take support here. Okay, So if it breaks this support, you can trade for this area as a first target, 20 points, and after that 40 points as a second target. Same in upside, if it breaks this yellow area, first target, second target. Okay, so hope you understand for the Tech-M. Now let's go to the next stock, that is a ZIL. So again, same. So if you see support in this area, support, again this area support converted to resistance. So once it breaks this resistance, you can trade for upside as a target 1 and target 2. Now if you see here again, lower side support area, support. So if it breaks this support, you can trade for this as a first target 4 points and this as a second target for 11 points in a ZIL. Okay, so hope you guys understand for the ZIL as well. Now let's go to the Bajaj Finance, next stop. So Bajaj Finance today also gives a good move in a downside on a simple breakout of this area. I forgot yesterday to add this in our analysis. So if you see yesterday, if I marked, this is your first time, second time, third time, fourth, fifth. So sixth time it breaks and gives you a good rally of almost 140 points. Okay, so same scenario happen for tomorrow as well. So if you see it respecting here first multiple much time it spent in this area. So if it breaks this, only for lower side you can target this as your first target 66 point and this is your second target for 170 point. So this is for the Bajaj Finance guys. And the last stock we have is SDFC. So if you see on my screen for the SDFC, again this yellow zone we called as a noted zone. Why it's a noted zone? Spending good time on this level. Again good taking support and resistance on this level. So this is why I mark these levels. Again this lower side taking support. Again here taking support. Okay, so if it breaks this yellow area positive above that, then you can trade for the 30 almost 40 point as a first target and 70 point as a second target in intraday. Same in lower side, if it breaks you can trade for 50 points. Okay, there may be a small resistance you can see on this area. If it comes on this level, you just watch pull on this level. It will spend some time here and after that it will break. If not, it will may reverse from here. So just watch pull on this area. Okay, so this is it guys. This is guys for the tomorrow TCS, Tech-M, ZIL, Bajaj Finance, HDFC and Bank Nifty. So hope you guys enjoying the chart analysis and doing good. So do subscribe our channel and share this video with your all friends. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video and see you tomorrow.